Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'm going to show how to upgrade your Mac to macOS Tahoe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. macOS Tahoe, macOS 26, is the latest version of Apple's Mac operating system, announced at WWDC 2025 on June 9, 2025. It introduces a major redesign and new features, with a focus on Apple Intelligence, a sleek user interface, and enhanced integration with other Apple devices. To upgrade your Mac to macOS Tahoe, make sure your Mac is compatible. Here is the list of devices compatible with macOS Tahoe. Currently, this Mac, a Mac Mini M2, is running macOS 15.5 beta. Before initiating the upgrade process, ensure that you back up your data, just in case something goes wrong. To upgrade your Mac to macOS Tahoe right now, you must be signed in using an Apple developer account or be running the beta version of macOS. Under the Software Update section, click on the Info button next to the Beta Updates. Here, from the drop-down list, select macOS Tahoe Developer Beta, and then click on Done. macOS Tahoe Update will be fetched in a while. After the upgrade is fetched, click on Upgrade Now, and then agree to the SLA, and then enter your password, and let the upgrade finish. During this upgrade, your Mac will restart a few times, so don't worry about that.
Chilling in the rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.
And you can see the device has been successfully upgraded to macOS 26 Tahoe. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.